Yeah, yeah. Soulful lashes. Come in, come in. You know the vibes already. Faith, beauty, lifestyle growth, and we do business too.
Wave at the camera. Thierry, is that camera? To get my cocktail in. There's a bar. And then this is, there's a nice place where we can dry our clothes. Palm trees. This is our view. We have not got a pool view. Right, so I've made it to Jamaica. I'm at the Riu Reggae, and I thought that the hotel journey was going to be like half an hour. It was like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think the longest bit that we waited for was waiting for the rest of the passengers, the rest of the tourists to come on board. So this is the room that me and my boys are in, and we're going to meet with my friends in a bit. And yeah, but they started off first with a rum punch, and my son that don't drink alcohol has some rum punch, and I know he liked it, right? But yeah, check out my holiday nails. No makeup because I'm melting. This mid-40s life has got me melting, but later on I'm going to put some lashes on, so at least I have lashes and I can draw my brows. But even drawing my brows is not guaranteed. I think I need to go back to getting them tattooed, which is nice. But the room's cool. There's a fan, there's aircon, so that means less mosquitoes around. But we are doing country as well, so ciao. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna sort out the Wi-Fi so we can find out where everybody is, and I need to use the toilet, and I need to stop melting. So I'm changing my clothes ASAP. All right. Probably should have got yourself a power bank.
Oh, they didn't take off your power bank too.
How much were they? It could be anywhere. Okay, so as you can see, we made it. I'm covered up because I've only just... Okay, so we are on our way to river rafting.
Okay.
And I'm being, because I need water, whatever, but my settings are a bit wrong at the moment, but hopefully later on I'll fix them. But yeah, dude. So that means we're near the airport then.
Near the airport.
Okay, so they convinced me to do river rafting, and I've had to put the camera on automatic because I don't know what was going on. So I'm on the water, I'm at the sea, and this is what we're doing.
I'm so special, so special, so special. That service shop moving for the price special. Boy, I bring it together, they want chase like metal. Tanja, I'm so special. I'm so special, so special, so special. Tell them they don't fear to face expression. Can't do dirty mouth, can't chase my mental. Come on, the fire, cool it, red panda, the metal. Help poor people with them red panda. Let's see you don't care from. Get back the visa. Your love is one shot, that's sweet, yo. No feelings of you, but that's sweet, yo.
Oh, something's sticking my foot. Nah, I'm wearing my shoes next time.
Skirt, baby.
I'm gonna have my later.
Barbecue, please.
Be fun, man.
So heading into the sea. This feel like quicksand. Have faith in your mother. Nah, this isn't like stand up. Say that again?
I want to go out and do people. What?
I'm not stable.
I think it's worth saying for that, isn't it?
I'm getting there. This feels like some imported sand.
Look, I can kneel on it.
This is as far as I'm going.
Right. If I can kneel here, you'll be fine. It's just like it's hurting my knees.
The sand's hurting my feet.
It's not even single.
Careful, there's some holes.
Oh, it's marked, so I don't know what that means. What was she doing?
It's like the wave looked near my face and the face is all funny now.
It's like the more I walk in, the more you guys walk away. It's a conspiracy. Swim to the shore.
I can't swim.
Try. You had lessons.
From when?
Oi! Holding the line. I'm holding the line. Everybody, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I just want to be at a distance where if I fall in, the lifeguard that's on his phone can see me.
I'm on his phone, you know. People drowning and I'm on their TikTok.
What are you reading?
You should start flocking and see if he just kisses his teeth. He's like, go on, no. No one told you to go out there.
I can't whine anymore.
Anymore? Yeah. 7 still.
Whew. I ain't going back in. Me and Sand is not friends, but out in the sea, you know what I mean? I'm at Dr. Cove Beach. Nice and blue. Yeah. I got parasols back there. I cut myself, so I'm gonna just gonna go in the water. Boss, I'm not coming to work today. Can't see.
And when it's September the month and it doesn't reach, ladies, and what you say now? Right, you take out that phone and make an early step. And say, if you step on, so we outside, let's go.
It's not food though. Frozen, anything. Is it food? Oh, I'm in grass. There might be mosquitoes touching me. Oh.
Subscribe, come back, bring a friend or two. There's always something here for you.